Meaning of heated.
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 Heated. The term heated can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it is used to describe a situation or conversation that is emotionally charged and intense. For example, a heated debate may involve strong emotions and passionate arguments. In sports, a heated game may refer to a match with a lot of physical contact and competitiveness. Overall, when someone uses the word heated, they are indicating that there is a considerable level of intensity involved in the situation or activity.